What is up? Today we're at Woodward Tahoe. This place is so sick. They have trampolines, half pipes, foam pits, everything you can possibly imagine to progress at whatever sport you do. It's pretty wild that it's snowing out and we're about to go skateboard and send it into foam pits. I don't want to keep talking. Let's get in here and let's do it because it is cold. Ew.
How's it going, everyone? My name's David Brown. I'm a coach at Woodward Tahoe here, and we're hanging out in the trampoline foam pit progression area. We have all different kinds of trampolines here. We got our 6-foot trampoline wall and our 8-foot trampoline wall. This is our skate trampoline where we shred the skateboard decks, tramp scooter, and tramp bikes. And currently we're standing on top of the Red Bull Cliff Tower, and we're gonna show you what progression looks like. Ready, boss?
Do it.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Alright, send it. Oh, that was a double, dude. So, I shouldn't have just eaten.
Yeah.
So I just have to wiggle. Hey, look, that's me. So 30 seconds later, after reality happens right there, it gets recorded to the screen so you can rewatch yourself. Crazy. All right, so we're gonna do a little contest. The contest is to see who can get the highest on this ramp. The loser has to jump in the snow when we leave. Let's go. I lost. I'm gonna be cold. So I have no idea what I'm about to do. I think it's a snowboard wheel type thing. I'm not sure. They told me to strap up some boots. Snow wheel. So we're gonna try it.